In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Amazon as a desktop app. We'll be turning the Amazon website into an app-like experience on your computer, so you can open it directly from your desktop or taskbar, just like any other program. This is done using your web browser, and it works especially well in browsers like Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge that support progressive web apps. First, open your preferred browser on your computer. In the address bar at the top, type in the Amazon website address and press Enter to go there. Make sure you're on the main Amazon homepage, and if you use Amazon frequently, you might want to sign in now so the app remembers your account the next time you open it. Once the Amazon page has fully loaded, look towards the top right area of your browser window. In Chrome, you'll usually see 3 vertical dots. In Edge, it's 3 horizontal dots. Click on those dots to open the main browser menu. This menu controls a lot of browser features, including the option we need to install Amazon as an app. In that menu, look for an option that mentions Apps, or Install this site as an app. In Chrome, it may say Save and Share, and then Create Shortcut, or more directly, Install Amazon. In Edge, it will typically say Apps, and then Install this site as an app. Click that option. If you don't see it right away, scroll the menu slowly. It can sometimes be near the middle or towards the bottom. After you click to install, a small window will pop up asking you to confirm. It will usually show the Amazon name and icon, and might give you a couple of choices, like whether to pin the app to your taskbar, your start menu, or create a desktop shortcut. I recommend leaving those checked if you want quick access. Then, click Install or Create. Your browser will now set up Amazon as a standalone window. It should open immediately, looking almost like a regular app without the usual browser tabs and address bar. From now on, you can open Amazon directly from your desktop, start menu, or taskbar icon without having to type in the website each time. If you ever want to remove the app, just right-click its icon and choose Uninstall or Remove, and it will go back to behaving like a normal website in your browser.